Hello, 605 drivers. In this module, we'll cover how to renew a business license through a dealer services logon. Vinny DeLuca, owner of South Dakota Motors, realizes his new vehicle dealer license is about to expire. He's logged into his account to renew this license before it expires. Let's get started. In the used vehicle dealer panel, we can see that the license expiration is listed as 12/31/2024. Click the Renew Dealer License hyperlink. We are now in the license renewal transaction where Vinny can not only renew his license, but also order new plates and renew the plates he currently has for his dealership. Click the Start button for the license renewal section. Vinny can confirm his license type, dealer number, and expiration date to be sure he is renewing the correct license. Click the Next button. Then click the Start button for the Order Plates section. Vinny doesn't need to order any plates this time around, so he'll just move on from this section. But if he needed to order plates during his renewal, he could easily select the necessary dealer plate, enter the quantity, and pay for the plates along with his license renewal. Let's click the Next button. Then click the Start button for the Transactions Fees section. We can review the license renewal fee and see if that amount Vinny will be charged is for $175. Additionally, all of his title transaction fees would be added here as well. Click the Next button. That's all Vinny needed to do. So go ahead and click the Continue to Payment button. For the purposes of training, we will use a simulated test payment and select the testing payment option. However, keep in mind that users will be able to select between a card or bank account payment and be redirected to a third-party site to submit payment. Now let's click the Next button. Then click the Submit button. The renewal has been submitted, and we can click the OK button to dismiss this confirmation screen. Vinny's license renewal will be sent to the Motor Vehicle Division to review, and once it's approved or denied, he'll receive a notification on his account to let him know. That's all we had for this module. See you in the next one.